We look a lot at the plumbing industry as well as fashion. So I mean, back in the 70s, flared jeans were really big. It was a fashion statement. We have noticed real simple, graceful, fluid lines in the plumbing industry with faucets. It's a modern look, but you also have the ability to bring it down to a transitional level with some of the darker, more muted finishes. A lot of the architecture from the 60s, 70s, as well as furniture design had this flared element. I wanted to apply that to the part to show the simplicity, the graceful lines, the subtle arc, all in one little package.